One of the smartest phones on the market is coming to the US. This is the Honor View 10, which will be available unlocked in the United States. We don't know exactly when yet, but it is coming fairly soon, and you're getting a lot of phone for your money. It'll probably be in the mid-price range. If we had to guess, probably under $500. You're getting dual cameras on the back, and it's not just about the resolution. You have 16 megapixels and 20 megapixels. It's about the artificial intelligence that is powered by the Kirin chip inside. So when you are in the camera app, you'll be able to use the AI, and it has automatic object detection. It'll have 13 different modes, so it'll be able to detect anything from food to pets to other sorts of scenes like stage, so if you're at a concert. And the idea is that it'll change the settings on the camera automatically based on what you're shooting, similar to what we saw on the Huawei Mate 10 Pro. So you're going to be getting those features in something that's a little bit more affordable. When you look at the design, it is a metal design, which seems pretty sturdy. On the bottom, you have the USB-C as well as the headphone jack, so you don't have to sacrifice that. You got your speaker right there. Up front, you have this 5.9-inch display, and you'll be able to unlock it not just through the fingerprint, but also face unlock. And there's other cool feature that's coming that will allow you to play music across multiple devices at the same time using a sync feature. So overall, we think the value proposition will probably be pretty strong for the View 10 when it comes to America. Stay tuned for our full hands-on impressions as well as our test results when we're able to get it into the labs. For Tom's Guide, this is Mark Spoonhour at CES 2018.